Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete ChatGPT account. If you want to permanently delete your ChatGPT account, so open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Now click or tap your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then from the options, select settings. Now on the left side, select account at the bottom. Now in here, scroll down and look for delete account. Then tap delete beside it. So you need to type your account email. And after that, so down here, you need to type delete caps lock in this field below and then click lock to confirm the action. So let's do that. Then let's type delete all caps lock. Then click permanently delete my account to confirm the action. And after that, your account will be deleted. So if you're using the iPhone app, you can open ChatGPT app, then go to settings, then go to data controls and tap delete account and confirm the deletion. So before you delete your account, if you have a paid subscription, you can cancel it first to avoid future charges. Consider exporting your data if you want to keep a copy of your chats. And account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.